It's another project day on Epiphany, as usual, and today we're doing some electrical. We've bought these USB quick charging ports, and we're going to be installing them in convenient locations. Currently, this is where we do the majority of our USB charging. It's on the steps, it's in the way. You know, we got a smartwatch to charge, a phone to charge, and it's plugged into like a cigarette lighter adapter up here. We're going to add straight USB charging ports, and we're going to install them over here on the starboard side in the bunk area, port side in the bunk area, and here at the chart table, put one bow and stern of the chart table. And that'll give us a multitude of places to charge electronic devices that are not trip hazards on the steps. So we've got a hole saw. Yes, we're drilling another hole or a bunch of holes in the boat. That's becoming a relevant theme. But should be a fairly simple project. Not any project on a boat simple, but it appears simple. So let's get started and see how it comes out. The wiring supplied with these USB ports comes with an inline fuse, and here's what it looks like. So they even sent some extra fuses, so we'll be using this to protect our circuits and the boat from any electrical fire. And as always, the cleanup. Oops. That ain't working. And as always, clean up the mess. With the proper size hole drilled, they slide right in, and on the back side you put this spin collar, and that'll hold that firmly in the bulkhead, and just leave the wiring up. Okay, so we got them installed, we got them wired up. Let's test them out. They do have an on-off switch. Boom! It's working. Let's try this one. Turn it on. Boom, it's working. So, success. And I like the nice cover, because I do want to install one out at the helm. Keep salt water out when you're not using it. And it's also a voltage monitor, so another project successfully completed. We'll do a couple more of these, but you got the idea. Now we've got USB charging stations in the bunks, at the chart table, and there'll be one at the helm. Have a good day.